We grew up watching flying cars in movies and thinking maybe they would arrive in 200 years, but there is a real chance we are part of one of the last generations that still needs a human behind the wheel. Some of these technologies are already being tested, and in a few cases they are already operating in real cities today. The way humans move from one place to another is about to change faster than most people expect. In this video, we will look at futuristic transportation technologies that are closer to reality than most people think. Number 20. Airbus Pop-Up. This is a futuristic transport concept developed by a joint venture between Airbus, Audi, and Italdesign. It is designed as a modular flying car system that combines ground and air travel in one vehicle. Passengers would book trips through an app, which automatically selects the most efficient route based on traffic and user preferences. The system can operate on roads like a normal vehicle, but when congestion occurs, the passenger capsule can detach from the ground module and connect to an air module for flight to the destination. Number 19. Aeromobile. It combines driving and flight capability in one vehicle, offering a flexible way to travel depending on distance and traffic conditions. In driving mode, it can reach speeds of up to 160 kilometers per hour. When switching to flight mode, it can transform in under 3 minutes and travel at speeds up to 360 kilometers per hour, covering long distances efficiently. It is designed to offer a faster and more convenient alternative to traditional road travel or short flights. The vehicle requires a pilot license to operate in regions where it is certified, such as Europe, and may also need access to a runway for takeoff and landing. Number 18. Variolift Airship. This concept combines features of airships and drones to create a new type of air transport. It uses buoyancy to lift off and glide through the air, allowing movement of people and cargo with high efficiency. It includes a modular structure, AI-based navigation, and an eco-friendly propulsion system to support smoother and cleaner flight operations. The goal is to reduce traffic delays by moving travel into the sky. It is aimed at offering a quieter, more efficient way to travel while also providing open aerial views during journeys, especially for urban and regional transport needs. Number 17. Celeste Zafalto. This cutting-edge vehicle is designed to reach the edge of space using a high-altitude balloon that rises to around 30 kilometers, or about 98,000 feet. At this height, passengers can enjoy wide panoramic views of Earth and the sky from a spacious pressurized capsule. The interior focuses on comfort and modern design, with large windows and amenities to improve the experience. It also uses eco-friendly technology to reduce environmental impact. The ascent is slow and smooth, allowing passengers to gradually experience the transition from the atmosphere to near space. Number 16. GAC Go. With its sleek, compact design and advanced technology, it is built for the demands of modern urban life. It offers zero-emission driving through its all-electric powertrain, helping create a cleaner and more sustainable city environment. Its autonomous driving features support a hands-free, stress-free commute, while smart connectivity with city infrastructure helps optimize routes and reduce traffic congestion. Inside, it has an adaptive interior that can adjust for personal use or ride-sharing. Number 15. Boom Supersonic, a next-generation supersonic passenger jet designed to bring high-speed air travel back in a more efficient and sustainable way. It aims to fly at Mach 1.7, which is more than twice the speed of current commercial aircraft. This could reduce long international trips, such as New York to London, to around 3.5 hours. The aircraft is planned to run on 100% sustainable aviation fuel to lower its environmental impact. Its design focuses on aerodynamic efficiency, passenger comfort, and reduced noise, including technology to minimize sonic booms. Number 14. Gyroscopic Transport. Gyroscopic transport is a unique concept developed by Deere Inso Company that explores an alternative mass transportation system. It is similar to the idea of an elevated transit bus, where a large bus moves above road level like a moving bridge. However, this version is more advanced, using telescopic racks instead of fixed supports. The roof of the structure is fitted with solar panels for continuous charging. Each of the 6 racks has its own motor and sensors to monitor road conditions. These racks run on a specially designed steel rail placed above the existing road surface. The company claims this rail system is cheaper to build than traditional concrete or asphalt roads. Number 13. Heart Hyperloop. This is a high-speed transportation concept designed to change how long-distance travel works. It uses magnetically levitated pods that move through low-pressure tubes, which greatly reduces friction and allows very fast and smooth travel. The system is designed to reach speeds of up to 1,000 kilometers per hour. Because it operates in a low-pressure environment, it improves both speed and energy efficiency. It is also planned to run on renewable energy, making it a more sustainable alternative to traditional transport. Number 12. Terrafugia TFX. It uses a hybrid power system for driving on wheels and electric rotors for flight. Unlike traditional aircraft, it is designed for vertical takeoff, so it does not need a long runway. On the road, it functions like a normal car, while in the air it can reach speeds of around 320 kilometers per hour and cover distances of up to 800 kilometers per hour. This makes medium-range trips, such as Geneva to London, much faster. The vehicle is designed with 4 seats, aiming to offer personal air travel for everyday users. Number 11. Skytran. This is a high-speed urban transit system that uses magnetic levitation pods running on elevated tracks above city roads. These pods can travel at speeds of up to 250 kilometers per hour, cutting travel time by roughly 70% compared to normal road traffic. It runs on electricity and produces 0 direct emissions during operation, making it a cleaner option for city travel. The system works on an on-demand basis, where users book a pod and travel directly to their destination without stops, traffic, or waiting in long lines. Number 10. Rolls-Royce Vision. A futuristic luxury concept car that explores how high-end driving could look in the future. It keeps the classic Rolls-Royce design elements like the long hood, large grille, and signature elegance, but adds a more modern and futuristic shape. The car is fully electric and uses 2 250 kilowatts motors. It is designed as an autonomous vehicle, meaning it has no steering wheel or pedals. Instead, passengers sit in a lounge-style cabin with seating for 2, focused on comfort rather than driving. Number 9. EHang 216. A small electric air taxi designed for city travel. This vehicle carries 2 passengers and uses 16 rotors for vertical takeoff and landing, so it doesn't need a runway. It can fly at around 130 kilometers per hour and cover roughly 35 kilometers on a single charge, with a flight time of about 20 to 25 minutes. Fully powered by batteries and operated autonomously, it's built for short urban trips, aiming to cut down road traffic and offer a faster way to move across busy cities. Number 8. Virgin Hyperloop. This is a new transport system that uses sealed low-pressure tubes to move passenger pods at very high speeds using magnetic levitation and electric propulsion. The reduced air inside the tube removes most resistance, allowing smooth and efficient travel at speeds of up to around 950 to 1,100 kilometers per hour in tests. The pods can carry passengers or cargo and are designed to run autonomously, linking cities in minutes instead of hours. The system aims to reduce travel time, energy use, and emissions while offering a quiet and fast alternative to trains, cars, and even short flights. Number 7. Honda Union. This futuristic motorhome focuses on flexible travel with a small footprint and advanced tech for easier handling on the road. It includes a roof that can open, a modular interior setup, and a modern infotainment system for entertainment and control. The vehicle supports smooth navigation and driving assistance to make long trips simpler. It is aimed at people who enjoy traveling and exploring different places, combining living space and driving capability in one unit. Number 6. Silent Electric Yacht. A silent electric yacht designed for smooth water travel. It focuses on low noise, clean energy use, and comfortable cruising. Powered by an all-electric system, it moves quietly through the water without the vibration or fuel noise of traditional boats. It is built for short to mid-range trips, offering a stable and relaxed ride for sightseeing or private travel. With modern controls, efficient battery usage, and a minimal maintenance setup, it aims to give a calm, eco-friendly alternative for luxury water transport. Number 5. Jump Arrow Aircraft. This is an electric vertical takeoff aircraft built for rapid emergency response and personal air mobility. It uses electric propulsion for quiet, zero-emission flights and can quickly reach areas where ground access is slow or difficult. It is focused on short, high-urgency missions, allowing fast deployment to critical situations. The system includes simple flight controls and built-in safety systems to support stable operation. It is aimed at urban and remote environments where speed matters most, offering a faster alternative to traditional emergency vehicles and reducing response times in critical scenarios. Number 4. Urban reshaping. Urban reshaping is a new approach to city planning where technology and sustainability work together to improve how people live, work, and move. It focuses on improving public spaces, supporting eco-friendly practices, and making cities more connected and functional. It includes smarter transport systems, greener buildings, and better use of space to reduce congestion and pollution. The goal is to make cities more livable, efficient, and balanced for all communities, with attention to fairness and accessibility. This idea also encourages people to take part in shaping their surroundings, creating urban environments that are more practical, inclusive, and future-ready. Number 3. Serious Business Jet. A long-range executive jet focused on speed, comfort, and smooth travel. It uses advanced flight systems to handle difficult weather and maintain stable performance. Powerful engines allow quick long-distance travel, reducing overall flight time on major routes. Inside, the cabin is set up for work or rest with quiet surroundings, adjustable seating, and modern entertainment options. Fast internet and communication tools keep passengers connected in the air, while safety systems monitor the flight from takeoff to landing. Number 2. Renault Electric Vehicle. A shared electric transport vehicle focused on city mobility and autonomous travel. It moves without a driver, using self-navigation systems to operate safely in urban traffic and improve daily commuting efficiency. The cabin has large glass panels that give wide city views and create an open, comfortable ride experience. It is built for group use, acting as an alternative to traditional public transport for short urban trips. With smart connectivity features, passengers can stay connected during travel. The overall concept focuses on cleaner energy use, shared mobility, and smoother movement inside busy city environments. Number 1. SpaceX Heavy Moon Base. A SpaceX heavy lunar base concept focuses on using a powerful heavy lift rocket to carry equipment, supplies, and modules needed to build a long-term human settlement on the moon. The system is intended to support construction of living quarters, work areas, and research facilities. The base would support scientific research, resource extraction, and long-duration human presence in space. It could also act as a starting point for deeper space missions and possible commercial activities like tourism in the future. The goal is to create a self-sustaining lunar environment where humans can live and work for extended periods, expanding space exploration beyond short missions. So that's all for now. Please make sure to like and subscribe our video. Thank you for watching.